As video creators and visual storytellers push boundaries, the demands placed on compact cinema cameras have skyrocketed over the past few years. Sony's original FX3 made waves as a highly capable, lightweight, full-frame movie camera, perfect for documentarians, indie filmmakers, YouTubers, and even small professional crews. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Now, rumor has it the FX3 II, or FX3 Mark II, is ready to elevate the bar even higher. This isn't just an incremental update, it's a bold reimagination. Leaks, industry chatter, and quick certification drops suggest an upcoming powerhouse packed with game-changing tech, including global shutter, 6K RAW recording, and cutting-edge thermal design. In this video, we'll unpack every tantalizing detail, from internal engineering marvels and Cine-grade specs, to real-world filming scenarios, affordability, and broader industry impact. The original FX3 saw praise for its handheld comfort. The FX3 II amplifies that with redesigned chassis elements. Enhanced grip textures for secure handling during rapid, shoulder-level shooting. Overhauled button placement, bigger, backlit, and easier to access mid-take. Weather-sealed construction aimed toward unpredictable environments, run-and-gun shoots, outdoor interviews, event videography. One of the most whispered-about features is a fanless thermal control system. Imagine compact cinema capture without internal noise, ideal for interview rooms, narrative sets, or docuseries where clean soundscapes are critical. Sony's rumored passive cooling innovation promises whisper-quiet operation without throttling under pressure. The rumored new full-frame sensor clocks in at roughly 44 MP, doubling the pixel count from the original FX3, CA 24 MP. The result? Natively 6K recording at high frame rates with impressive clarity and color fidelity. A standout rumor: global shutter implementation. For filmmakers working in fast-paced environments, sports, action sequences, handheld rushes, this spells goodbye to skewed lines and rolling shutter artifacts. This could be a watershed moment for compact Sony cinema gear. Internal 12-bit RAW capture is reportedly built right in, no external recorder required. Full-frame 6K RAW unlocks massive post-production flexibility, nuanced color grading, expansive latitude in shadows/highlights, and cinematic finish without premium hardware rigs. 4.16K RAW, 4K ProRes, high performance in a small body. True 6K RAW with up to 4:2:2 subsampling. ProRes internal record plus S-Log3/HLG profiles for both hybrid and streamlined pipelines. Silent fanless operation enabling high console recording with no audio compromise. Up to 4,000 frames per second capture is rumored. No crop mode, full-frame readout, and real cinematic slow-motion potential. Ideal for sports, wildlife, creative effects, and more, with smooth, distortion-free playback. Larger photo sites plus backside illumination equals superior noise performance. Real-world usability in dim venues, events, weddings, and nighttime documentary settings. Smoother highlight roll-off and better tonal transitions thanks to Sony's refined color science. Building upon Sony's Alpha series and cinema line, the FX3 II is rumored to boast real-time IAF for humans and animals,